Welcome to the course on Python for data analytics, machine learning, and generative AI. Modern generative AI systems are built on a powerful algorithmic infrastructure. This infrastructure combines advanced algorithms, deep learning models, and large data sets to create intelligent systems capable of generating content automatically. Instead of relying on manual human processors, these systems use automated computational methods to analyze patterns, generate knowledge, and produce outputs such as text, images, and conversations. This shift represents a major transformation in how technology supports decision making and content creation. This session focuses on three key pillars of modern generative artificial intelligence. The first pillar is text generation, where AI models produce written content such as articles, summarizes, or conversations. The second pillar is image synthesis, where AI systems create images from descriptions or patterns. The third pillar is chatbots and conversational AI, which allow machines to interact with humans in a natural and intelligent way. Together, these technologies are transforming industries such as education, business analytics, marketing, and digital services. In this session, we explored several important components of the generative AI ecosystem. These include deep neural architectures, which are complex machine learning models capable of understanding large amounts of data. We also examine generative language models, which generate text based on patterns learned from massive data sets. Another important concept is the attention mechanism, which helps models understand relationships between words in a sentence. Finally, we study text to image models, virtual assistants, and conversational bots, which represent real world applications of generative AI. By the end of the session, you will understand how these technologies work and how they are used in real world applications. Generative AI can be understood through three major technological pillars. The first pillar is AI driven text generation, which uses natural language processing to generate meaningful text. The second pillar is AI based image synthesis, where technologies such as diffusion models and generative adversarial networks produce images from data or prompts. The third pillar is AI conversational systems, which include chatbots and intelligent assistants that communicate with users. Together, these pillars represent a shift from manual human work to automated pattern recognition and intelligent content creation. Earlier, language systems were based on strict grammar rules. These systems analyzed sentences using predefined grammatical structures and linguistic rules. However, they were limited and could not easily handle complex language variations. Modern generative models follow a completely different approach. Instead of rules, they use large data sets and statistical learning to understand patterns in language. A key breakthrough came with the transformer architecture introduced in the research paper Attention is All You Need. The architecture powers modern models such as GPT, which generate text by predicting the next word in a sequence. The attention mechanism is one of the most important innovations in modern AI language models. It allows the model to examine relationships between many words in a sentence at the same time. First, the model performs context encoding, which means it understands how different words relate to each other in a sentence. Second, it performs next token prediction, where the model calculates the probability of the next word. Finally, models are improved using reinforcement learning, with human feedback, or RLHF, which helps ensure that the generated responses are meaningful and appropriate. AI based text generation systems are transforming the way organizations produce knowledge and content. For example, in business analytics, AI can automatically generate insights from large data sets. In customer communication, AI systems can write emails, support messages, and automated responses. In content creation, companies use AI to write marketing content, blogs, and product descriptions. AI is also transforming education, where intelligent tutoring systems provide personalized feedback to learners. These technologies significantly reduce manual work and increase productivity. AI image generation has evolved significantly over time. An early example is Deep Dream, developed by Google engineers to visualize how neural networks interpret images. Deep Dream highlights patterns and shapes detected by neural networks, creating surreal and artistic visuals. Modern systems such as DAL-E goes much further. They can generate completely new images based on text descriptions using advanced diffusion models and transformer architectures. This technology allows users to create images simply by describing them in natural language. Deep Dream and DAL-E use different techniques to create images. Deep Dream analyzes images and amplifies patterns that the neural network detects, producing dream-like visuals. DALL-E, on the other hand, generates images using a diffusion process. The process begins with random noise and gradually refines it into a meaningful image based on the given text prompt. This process is called prompt to image diffusion, and it allows AI systems to create realistic or artistic visuals. Text to image models significantly improve creative workflows. Traditional production methods involve many steps such as planning, concept creation, photo shoots, and editing. AI systems simplifies this process. Users can provide a text prompt and the AI generates visual concepts instantly. This technology is widely used in digital marketing, game development, fashion design, and film production. By reducing time and cost, AI enables faster experimentation and innovation. Modern virtual assistants represent a major shift in how humans interact with technology. Earlier, systems used static interfaces such as menus and buttons. Today, assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri allows users to interact through natural language. These systems combine natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine learning to understand user requests. As a result, they provide faster responses and improve customer engagement. Real time conversational AI operates through a continuous four-step process. First, speech recognition converts the user's voice into text. Second, natural language understanding identifies the user's intent. Third, dialogue management decides the appropriate response based on context and logic. Finally, natural language generation produces the final response in human like language. Modern chatbots rely heavily on transformer based models such as GPT to perform these tasks efficiently. Conversational bots help organizations automate routine customer interactions. Incoming user queries are processed by an intelligent agent. Routine questions are answered automatically while complex issues are forwarded to human experts. These systems are widely used in banking, healthcare, e commerce, and smart home systems. By handling large volumes of queries, chatbots reduce operational cost and improve service efficiency. The generative AI ecosystem includes three major systems. First, text generation systems, which use transformers to predict the next word in a sequence. Second, image synthesis systems, which convert natural language prompts into images using diffusion models. Third, conversational systems, which enable real time dialogue through speech recognition and natural language understanding. Examples include GPT, ChatGPT, Deep Dream, Dale E, Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistants. Generative AI is rapidly transforming major industries. In e commerce, AI generates product descriptions and recommendation chatbots. In marketing, it creates advertising copy and visual campaign concept. In finance, it supports automated reporting and customer service automation. In healthcare, it assists in medical record summarization and patient triage systems. In entertainment, AI helps develop scripts, storylines, and game dialogues. These applications demonstrate the broad impact of generative AI technologies. Let's summarize. In this session, we explored how generative AI systems generate text, images, and conversations. We examine the core architectures, including transformers, diffusion models, and conversational AI frameworks. We also discussed the role of attention mechanism, text to image model, and virtual assistants. Finally, we looked at how these technologies are applied across industries to automate tasks and enhance decision making. Generative AI technologies are increasingly converging into a unified ecosystem. Text generation, image synthesis, and conversational systems are no longer isolated tools. Instead, they work together within an algorithmic intelligence core that supports content creation, communication, and insight generation. This convergence is transforming business operations and enabling AI mediated decision environments where intelligent systems assist human decision makers. In this lecture, we explored the foundation and application of text generation, image synthesis, and conversational AI systems. These technologies are shaping the future of digital innovation and intelligent automation. Thank you.